Hey guys, welcome to another video of my wardrobe series. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tracy and I like to make videos on minimalism and intentional living to make the daily life a little simpler. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so you don't miss another video. So this month I'm doing a wardrobe series. I've already talked about how to create your wardrobe as well as how to declutter your wardrobe. Today I'm sharing some of the products I use to take care of my clothing. Let's get started. In terms of taking care of my clothing, the most I'll do is hang dry items. I don't even care to hand wash them, just so you know. These are the methods and items I use to take care of my clothing. Aside from the typical rule of sorting your clothes, I wash my clothes on a delicate cycle. This helps reduce pilling. Another way to reduce pilling is by turning clothing items inside out. One of the items I use to prevent pilling is a mesh bag. I also use a mesh bag to place my undergarments in it as well as any other items that are likely to pill. An item I use to remove pilling is one of these. I think they're just called lint removers or something like that. I don't actually know the proper name, but I'll have it linked down below. Just lay your item flat. Then you carefully circulate it around the clothing item, removing all the pilling, as you can see here. Something I like to keep on hand is fray check. Fray check is used to prevent your item from fraying, as the name says. I also like to use fray check by dabbing them onto my buttons. This helps make the thread more durable and less likely to lose a button. Another item that I have, but only use when I have new items, are a pair of manicure scissors. You can use any kind of scissors, but I like to use manicure scissors because they're small and they're curved. Because of the curve, I use it to trim away excess thread without accidentally cutting any fabric. Another thing with excess thread is that it makes your clothing items look cheap and sloppy. So by trimming all the excess thread, it makes it look clean and polished. There are several ways that you can remove wrinkles from your clothes. One is to pop it in the dryer and shake it out. Another is to use an iron. Some other people like to hang their clothes while they take a hot shower. I don't actually take really hot showers, I just take warm showers. So if I'm traveling and I don't take hot showers, this is what I use. But quick tip, if you are traveling and you don't have wrinkle release, I suggest taking a slightly damp rag, patting it onto your clothes, and smoothing it out. And then you hang it up, and this will help reduce the wrinkles in your clothes. Those were some of the ways and items that I use to take care of my clothes. What are your tips for taking care of your clothes? Comment them down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. For more on minimalism and intentional living, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye.